Blockchain is rewriting the rules of gaming, ushering in a new era of ownership, transparency, and player engagement. At the forefront of this revolution, our blockchain game experts bring your gaming vision to life. We build innovative game concepts and seamlessly integrate leading blockchain platforms like Ethereum, Solana, Polygon, and more to ensure your game is future-ready. Our expertise in NFT standards like ERC 721, ERC 1155, and SPL tokens enables our experts to create unique, valuable in-game assets that players can truly own and trade. With robust tokenomics design and smart contracts, our experts build balanced, secure in-game economies that enhance player engagement and reward. Powered by game engines like Unity, Unreal, and Godot, and design tools like Blender and Adobe Photoshop, our experts create captivating gameplay, optimized for performance and security. From deployment to continuous support, they ensure your game thrives. Our tech stack, featuring Web3, JS, Solidity, and more, guarantees a flawless gaming experience. We've powered projects like Crypto Hunter, an NFT-enabled AR game, EternaPlay, a DDAO-enabled metaverse play-to-earn investment platform, and more using cutting-edge technology and tools. Join us in creating the next generation of games. Discuss your project with us today.